Hello, and welcome to the Digital Communities Wales Digital Confidence, Health and Wellbeing Digital and Health Literacy Training video on accessing reliable health information online. In this video, we will discuss what is digital and health literacy, navigating NHS Wales 111 online and supporting others to do that, and the digital skills required to access healthcare online. Disclaimer. The following information and resources provided by Digital Communities Wales have been developed for digital champions to support others with digital skills. We do not recommend one app or website over another and appreciate that there are many other options available to online users. Your use of an app or website is at your discretion, and we cannot be held responsible for any issues encountered through participants' usage. Please ensure that you share important advice around privacy, online safety, and personal responsibility when using digital tools and services. All information included in these videos is correct as of July 2025. Accessing health information online. Health information online can empower us to understand symptoms and understand what NHS services to access. The NHS 111 Wales website can help you check symptoms or find out about other NHS services. Supporting others. You may need to advise someone on how to navigate to this website. Consider their learning journey around understanding web browser basics. The NHS 111 Wales website has great resources for checking symptoms and finding out general information about health and well-being. But this website may be tricky to navigate for someone who is less digitally confident. One way to make this website more accessible is by changing the language on the website. You can do this by clicking on the Cymraeg button at the top left-hand corner. This will switch the language to Welsh. To switch it back to English, you can just click that button at any time. The symptom checker gives you reliable advice on next steps based on your answers to the questions. This may help you understand what NHS services to access. Search your symptoms by text or by selecting a letter. This will then take you to a mini assessment to advise you on your next steps. The Health A to Z section provides information about illnesses, conditions, operations, tests, and treatments. Search by text or by selecting a letter for further information. Accessing health information online. Being online gives people in Wales the ability to access health services. It empowers individuals to have choice and access to further understanding of their health. And it allows them to manage, track, and understand their own health using apps and websites. You can find your local health board website using the NHS Wales website. Every health board has a range of health and wellbeing resources for its customers. Being online can provide people with more opportunities to feel empowered and in control of their health and wellbeing. Accessing your local health board will give you more local information about health services in your area. Using this website, choose your health board, then use the link to go to your website, and here you can access the most up-to-date information. Health information online can empower us to understand our symptoms and understand what NHS services to access. However, there are many sources of information on the internet, so it is important individuals can identify reliable public health and NHS resources. Misinformation and non-medically sanctioned views often dominate the discourse online and can cause confusion amongst the general population. So where can people find reliable information online? Well, individuals have freedom of choice for what they access online, but you can't believe everything you read or hear. The websites I've already demonstrated are some of the key websites to look for health information online. But there are other platforms that people may use, such as social media, where people may find some health information, which is why we must be careful. Health on social media. You can identify the official social media channels of NHS services through their websites. By accessing them through the official NHS website, you can verify that they are legitimate pages. Follow or like the social media pages to stay up to date on your social media platforms. Be aware, social media used to employ the use of verified ticks more robustly, but the NHS Wales social media accounts do not have verified status. However, we know they are legitimate pages by accessing them on the official website. Sometimes pages can look legitimate, but they may have a slightly different social media name or handle, and they can be sharing misinformation. You will usually find the social media links at the bottom of the page of the health board you are accessing. Here we have the links at the bottom that we can follow. So what digital skills may you need to access healthcare services online? Understanding digital foundation skills, web browser skills, understanding email, the ability to fill out online forms, being able to upload information, understanding two-factor authentication, video calling. Individuals you support will all have different life experiences and gaps in their understanding, so get to know the individuals you're working with. When it comes to filling out online forms and uploading documents, lots of people lack confidence and don't have the ability to be able to practice this skill. Giving someone an opportunity to practice using a practice form online can help them to build their confidence. Use online resources such as Learn My Way to learn more about web forms. Learn My Way offers a range of e-learning courses to help learners develop their skills and practice. This is a great free tool to use to learn about basic web forms. Takeaways. Digital and health literacy empowers individuals to get the most out of the internet. NHS Wales 111 offers an opportunity to access a range of services online. Basic digital skills are essential to accessing healthcare online. How can you support someone to develop these skills? I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for watching.